first one is always upload videos and be confident with the camera. Don't mind about the camera quality, but try to improve the camera quality on each and every video. The second thing now that you have to think about is upload videos in the right time. Always try to go to your channel analytics and see when your viewers uh, are more active to view your videos that you upload on the channel. The next thing, try to write down the list of the people that do engage with you in comments, likes, and so forth and so on, so that you can also keep in touch with them. That helps the YouTube algorithm to know that you are really active. Try to respond to people in time. Another thing now, try to ensure uh, you are good at recording videos in a silent place. Try to look for silent places, have nice backgrounds, even if the background is not too much nice, but a bit nice. And the next thing here that you have to think about is designing the thumbnails. A thumbnail is like a display. If you create a business, you have to be having a display. So that is the next thing you have to think about. Yeah, a thumbnail. A thumbnail is a big deal. A thumbnail is a big deal whenever it comes to promoting your video, because it is what attracts someone whenever they scroll on YouTube. A thumbnail is that picture that you see with brief words on your screen whenever you come to YouTube. Then it attracts you to tap on that very picture and see what is exactly inside, and try to do thumbnails that are relevant with the topic of the video. Another thing that you have to think about it is to make sure you do upload your videos using the YouTube Studio dashboard. You should avoid the YouTube app. That is it. So in my next video, I'm coming up with the way how you can do the following I've talked about in the above information, so forth and so on. Keep in touch with me. Comment. The commenters are going to tell you what is still lacking, what you are perfect on, and the system likes that because it helps the system grab for you more viewers. Don't fear the camera quality, just come up and upload videos. Yes, upload videos. No matter what, you upload videos. And then, how do you come to know that your channel is about to make it happen? How do you come to know that your channel is about to make it happen? Yes, if you start to see green arrows pointing up in your channel analytics, that means your channel is about to make it. And don't mind about the number of the subscribers you have. Even if you have like 2 subscribers, but they are very unique to your videos, that means 100% of your subscribers are viewing your content. They are engaging, they are liking, they are subscribing, they are sharing. That means the algorithm is going to start pushing your content to a massive number of viewers. So mind less about that. In this video, we have covered topics like always uploading videos consistently, not minding about the camera quality, trying to improve your camera quality in each and every new video you bring in. Talked about, try to remind me in the comment section. Have also talked about tracking your channel analytics so that you upload your videos in the right time. Try to note down your engagements, that is the viewers, the subscribers, the one who likes your videos, people who are in track with your videos. So try to note them down like on a piece of a paper or by screenshotting them. We have also talked about using good thumbnails. Use thumbnails that are attractive and engaging. So, with those few we have talked about today, thanks for being a nice viewer to my videos. If you've got something additional to your channel growth, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. We meet in the next video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Respect.